Hey y'all, my name is Monique. I just want to come on here today and review an item that I got from Amazon. It is a butt wiper. Yes, I said butt wiper. If you have a hard time reaching or you just had a back surgery or something of that nature, this right here will become your best friend. And it's very easy. All you do is you take your toilet paper and you fold one side in and you put your finger in that bottom hole, and then you take the other side, wrap it around and tuck it in that top hole, and then bam, you just reach back and wipe. This thing is literally a lifesaver for those who, like I said, have a hard time reaching to wipe. It's inexpensive. I highly recommend this item from Amazon. Thank you.